Kookie Promotions, we love you so much. Yeah man, big up to all the fans worldwide. Together to Chikole, one life to live. YOLO, yeah man, big up Nyege Nyege.
Okay.
Nyege Nyege straight. Destra straight. Watch out. Bega bega. Tugenda babega Nyege Nyege mwe. Shaka free boss in another way. Destra says so.
Hey, big man. The next thing they say.
Sabanya mukama tukume Terichiza twaula Bagala kutwaula Baby barikabo Bagala kutwaula Nyege nyege Sigame kuze Mambibela uwe kulabila Mwano go bufuse Inyo mtima kwe kukubira Bakuntunga mudiba Chuna chewa tegesa mazimundina Kagalo nkeke musanyo Yetu tagenda kwa kisa zenyenjeya Obe nasingira dalato kwa galate Tibanyumya kakikola Nabalya boku mutima Mwano jange jatala na jukutuka Kinze kwebaza wakuma Ulabano lwazimumala ne lwatika Yagala nkuse musanyo Musanyo kweyagalira mu byenina So give me some time Samayo wakade nawe Onyume mukumbozi nawe Baby maybe one night But tonight so maybe forever I'll never let you die Sabele mukama tukume Terichiza kwaula baby barikabo Bagala kutwaula Sho Baby barikabo Bagala kutwaula Sengamba wesigame kunze Ambibera uenkulabira Omukwano gobufuse Injini omutima gwe gukubira Somebody let me you say do Oh yes. Do. So, River Nile, great part of Africa. Life is very amazing.
Yeah man.
Yeah man.
Straight like a boat.
Sing it louder.
DJM Post. Yeah man. DJM Post. Representing Zaka Free Boss.
When I marry my best friend. Yeah. When I marry my best friend. Oh, this is my love for you. My true love for you will never gonna die. I wanna be remembered for loving you. Kanyanya ine chapa chapa.
Government.
Sawa buzaina chapa.
Yaje kuja gari.
Kanyanya ine chapa chao.
Chapa so.
Obuza chapa yagala kulawo. Wewe wamamanya.
Anti obazze ku kiringa mu biseera bye eby'eddembe n'ojjako eno.
Ogenda otuuka. Ebiseera bye eby'eddembe bikuwedde. Nenga no wano si wala
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings.
What's up, bro?
You don't ever.
How are you doing? I'm okay. How are you, bro? I'm okay. See you, man.
Good to see you too, brother.
Are you ready to jump up?
I'm ready to dare. Why not? And it's my first time jumping,
Are you
man.
serious?
Yeah, but
Ali says he's going to jump tomorrow.
I'm gonna
after
jump
you.
tomorrow.
you jump. You want me to go in
I
first
need you
before?
to make sure that it's okay. And then, no, but I jumped at the other location like so many times.
Oh, really?
Yeah, at the other location, man, I was the 13th jumper.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay.
Like,
So the other one's 43 meters and this one's 53.
Nice,
52,
nice,
53,
nice.
depending on the water level.
how long will it take before he gets up there?
We can do it super quick.
No,
We'll
I
fast track
I
it.
have another camera guy coming as well.
Ah,
I just
okay.
wanted to probably that's the way.
You tell me. We can do
Like
it.
normally, how long would it take for him?
It'll take me about
To get
10
inside.
minutes to get
Okay,
in.
my other guy
out.
should be here by then too. I'll just run down there and pick up my dad here.
Okay. Yeah. I'll let
Give him
you
a quick thing, but I'll run down and get it.
Okay.
See you before you go.
All right. So we should just wait for the camera guy to get. So before we get
He's getting
ready.
on the boat now,
Okay.
so he'll be here in just like a few minutes.
All right.
Okay, so I'll just get Pallaso weighed up and
Yeah,
registered and everything, and then you send your guy down to the tower. And then
I'll run down with my guys.
Perfect.
See you in a few
All right, Ali. So you live out here, even when we're not here?
Yeah, I live in Tanzania.
Oh,
So
you
we
do?
have properties in the Serengeti, and we
Nice.
have this one. So I live in Arusha.
When you say we, who's we?
So I work for a company that owns
Oh.
Wild Waters and Deer. And, yeah. So that keeps me busy.
Okay. So you in Dar es Salaam in Tanzania?
I'm in Arusha.
Arusha.
You come to Arusha.
Last time I was there, I was 9. with
Oh,
my brother.
wow.
Yeah. You know my brother is a very also big celebrity, big
Yes.
superstar.
I googled you, don't worry.
Yeah, okay. So that brother of mine, I've been following his steps since I was a kid. So he gave me that experience with him to Arusha.
Nice.
And actually, he didn't even catch a flight. We went with a bus.
Oh, wow.
Took the whole road trip. And these are the good old days when the safaris
Yeah,
are
yeah.
not like fenced. So like you could really get the whole through safari field, see zebras, flamingos, rift valleys. You know, it was an amazing trip for me.
So our properties in Tanzania are inside the Serengeti.
Oh, nice.
It's a very cool safari.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
In Serengeti.
Serengeti, yeah.
That's the biggest in East Africa, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Inspiration of the Lion King, right?
Exactly. So you base normally here? You travel a lot, I'm guessing.
I travel. I was out of the country the other day. And
And you're doing lots of international stuff as well.
well, right now, I would say yeah, but no. Why? Because I am performing mainly for an East African regional audience even when I travel. Plus like a few people that are related to them somehow that they know the music. But I am trying to like widen my reach and my brand and get on festivals, and you know, I'm trying to connect with whoever has that type of connections or platforms, you know, because you know, you can see that the music is reaching far, but I feel like as a brand I'm not reaching as far as the music. You know what I mean? Yeah. So I mean, I'm doing internationally, like my next show is in a few days in Saudi Arabia.
Okay, wow, that's interesting.
Yeah, and that's a region that very hard to hear a performer go to show, you know?
Yeah, well, yeah.
So I'm trying to like widen. So in any case, in any way, if you ever run into any type of connection like that, you hit me up.
Totally.
Right on. So, but also, I am starting to work with a South African company
Okay.
that is well structured.
That's a big festival culture, isn't it, South Africa?